St. Alfred Secondary School kalalong lahduh ha kalumpong Meghalaya Sports District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2025 jong DSO Bhoi kabalakut no ha kakatnyo trik yayong. Kani kalawan long hadian bagi kena Meghalaya jong St. Alfred kila tri borba bat yo ban khor haduk kandai tli trophy kibana du ki best team, best athlete ha ki kerdan beper ringkat bat kitakma Naduk kasngi belas dang ya kani kalumpung. Katai kalumpung Meghalaya balai sngi kalalong shisha kabaitanan nakajingwan banya shimbenta haduk lai pendriu tli school kabalakot shaduk kandai spa iwengot kinong ya shimbenta hagi katsan tli kijat Meghalaya kibala pia haduk pendriu tli kerdan ha kabay kinong Meghalaya kalaya shimbenta shirham banya kunting ban kurtakma nakabenta laki jong school. Ha kani kasngi pun kun nakaliang ki bor penyat kila sami kita kemabat ki trofi haringkat bat ki sernot syabaru ki nong job ha ka jeko beper ha ka ba St. Alfred Secondary School kala yo ban ra ya kanam lahduh da ka ba yo ru ban khur ya ka khusnam best team ha ka kerdan under 14 jong ki kenthai under 16 jong ki kenthai but under 18 jong ki shenrang bat kenthai. Kat ba kiwe ki school ki bla yo ra ya ka best team kenthop ya ka MEECL Secondary School ha ka under 14 jong ki shenrang St. Jude Secondary School under 16 jong ki shenrang bat la samru ki khusnam shaki rang bat ki thai ki ba khor ya ka nam ki nong Meghalaya ki ba kan sai tam ha ka te ka lumpung na kaliang ko office district sports officer kala pentep ru ba ki nong job ha ka ne ka lumpung kin sa yo ya ka lat ban pentebet shu ya la de ha ki ne ki sngi ki banwan ban pen krek khamha shu na kabenta ka state level inter-school athletic meet 2025 kaban sa long hanong ba shlo ha ka te ka lumpung Meghalaya sports lawan banya sakhilang da deputy commissioner ka Bhoi u abhilash baranwal kum ukongsan ha ka jingadon lang u additional SP ka Bhoi naman kumar ka kongki bi jarwa district school education officer Bhoi ba Bobby L Nongbed District Sports Officer lambat ki dekat ka RBDSA bat kiwe.
Sports is something that you should not leave when you have left the school, because it will enable you to become a better person, better citizen. So that's the only request that I would like to make. Consider me as your elder brother. From what I have learned is that through sports you will build your character. Through sports, you will not only take care of your fitness, but simultaneously through sports, if you are good, if you are hardworking, the kind of opportunities that will open up for you is absolutely amazing. For example, we have the Minkin Christian High Secondary School whose students have gone to France for participating in the Indo-French football tournament, who have won the Subrata Cup, which is an international football event. So that could only be possible because of sports. So sports is something that you should take seriously, even though it's a fun thing to do, but simultaneously it should be pursued with all the seriousness. And as I said, it's not something that you will leave at the door of your school when you will graduate from your school. It's something that you should pursue for life. It will give you character. It will enable you to become a smart, disciplined citizen of the state and the country, the one that this country deserves and look forward to.
The main important thing is your spirit of participating. No matter what, we win or lose. In life, we have to face challenges where one loses and one wins. But even though if we don't win a trophy or we don't get a trophy in this athletic meet, it doesn't mean that we have to give up. As students, we should never give up. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Final are as follows. Athletes please listen the 798 for Musa Umma of Sinjani Higher Secondary School Syllad, the 704 Musa Kementarian of Syllad run under 16 years of age. Girls are as follows.